No. Okay guys, so welcome in my next session, that is Stream API. I think one session already we have taken and I had already given you the idea about it. So I just want to show you one or two slide where I'm talking about why we should use this Stream API. So let me open that. Can you see this? On top of it, we can go with Java 8 is one of the very fantastic feature, which right that is being used everywhere. Okay, so let's see what is the Stream API. It was introduced in which version? Java 8. You can say no, right? This is one of the very important thing because it is used everywhere. That's correct. Yeah, I'm just talking about what a collection is an in-memory data structure to hold values. And before we start using collection, all the values should be loaded into the memory. Yeah, you understand the meaning of it? If you use collection like array list, linked list, and you want to do some processing on it, first of all the data should be in the memory or not?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
But what is the benefit of Stream API data structure? Stream data structure is computed on demand. Whenever it is required, then only you can perform the manipulation on it. Are you following me? No need to load all the data in the memory. In that case, it is better or not? You tell me.
Yes.
You have millions of record and you want it should be loaded gradually and you want to perform some action on it and eventually you want to show the output. You can use Stream API. I hope you understand. In another word, you can say it works in the lazy fashion. You got it? So
Lazy
Stream
loading.
API, again, it is data structure, but it is computed on demand. That is one of the beauty of. If it is not clear to you, please let me know. I can make it more clear. Are you clear?
It's not clear. Can you please repeat one more time?
Very good. I like this kind of question. It's not clear. Let me make it clear. Last time I think we made some diagram for it. People? Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to extend this diagram. You see, data structure? Yeah, data structure is nothing. It's just a way to represent the data in the memory. Is it right or not? I'm telling you,
Yes.
do not try to mug the thing. If you mug it, you'll be not able to recall it. Yes, you know? Try to understand this. And if you confuse, then you know what you should do.
Ask.
Yeah, you should ask question and try to confuse me. Simple is that. Whatever confusion is there, same thing you bring in front of me and try to confuse me. Are you following me?
Yes,
Simple.
sir.
So guys, let's try to understand the Stream API. I have done already, but I'm going to show you a little bit more pictorial representation so that you can understand it better. So here, you see, I'm creating a array list. In that situation, all this data structure, whatever we are using and whatever data we are pushing into it, everything should be in the memory or not? Yes. Yes, or no? If you have millions of
Yes.
record in array list, all the data will be in the memory. So basically, what we are doing here, this data structure, I'm converting into other data structure that is called stream. Got it? And this
Mhm.
stream is going to process on the fly or on demand. On demand, whenever you need it, it will be it will be processed. So stream is just a data structure. So you are saying, hey list, you are in memory data structure. I am converting you into other data structure format. Clear? So can I say
Mhm.
stream is another data structure? That's correct. Anybody have any confusion? So on top of
Mhm.
it, I'm creating a stream, and this data structure create a new memory for, or it uses underlying memory of the source.
It uses the same memory.
Same memory. So when you want to do operation on the stream, it will take data from the underlying collection, and it will process it and produce the output. But it will be processed on demand. When you create a stream, it is not going to be processed, right? I'm saying it is going to process automatically. No, no. This is not processed. Okay, here. Are you following me? This is not processed. Are you following me? Yeah. Another thing is in Stream API, you can use two kind of operation we talked about: intermediate operation and terminal operation. Remember, or you forget it?
Remember.
So two kind of operation we can use that we need to know. One is called
Intermediate. And then it's
terminal operation, terminal operation, and terminal operation always produce a result. But intermediate
yes.
operation does not. It just convert your stream yeah, data structure into another stream data structure. Intermediate operation. What it does? It converts uh,
One stream.
one data
One.
structure into other data structure of stream. Simple that, right? You understand what is a stream? A stream is nothing. It just represent sequence of object. What is stream API? What is a stream? A stream means sequence of object in the memory. That's it. So basically, you have to convert one data structure into other data structure. So if you want to convert list into stream, what you need to use? List.stream. Your question is, this is the only way to make a stream, or we have other method also? We have other method. I'll show you. Okay. So yes, you got it.
Yes, got it.
And this stream can be processed sequential and it can be processed parallel as well. So I'll show you sequential and parallel both, but right now I'm talking about sequential one by one. So let me show you an example. Like in this stream, I want to, when I'm using a stream, I want to convert into another data structure, right? I want to apply some map conversion. What will do? Streams dot map. Hello. So whatever data will come, right? So you want to apply map on it. When you apply map on it, then what happen? This underlying stream, right, will be converted into
Stream.
other intermediate stream, right? Either you can store into other stream, a variable, or you can store into same. It is up to you. Okay. So if you use same, that's fine. Are you following me? So map what does? Whatever data will come over here, it will do conversion. Please remember it. Map is used for conversion of data. So map takes, you have to mug it. I told you map takes functional interface, functional interface. What it does? Functional interface take one input and produce one output. Say yes. I'll kill
Yes.
you. It takes one input and produce one output. And input will be any type, output will be any type, right?
Yes.
Arbitrary type. And method which we use over here, that is called apply, I guess, right? Apply.
Apply.
You are not replying, I'll kill you. So who will tell me the lambda for function interface? This is the parameter, and parameter type would be what? String, because you are operating on a string. So this is the parameter, right? And what you are supposed to do? I'll kill
Arrow.
you. Tell me.
Yeah,
What you
we
are,
have two
you can do
uppercase.
whatever you want to do, right? So basically, what I want to do, I want whatever string is there, I want to append Mr. Right? So what happened? Tell me. So it will operate on every string. Whatever string is coming, it is returning Mr. string. That's it. Input is string, output is string. That is different case, but you can return different output also. Different input, different output. But in this situation, what we are doing? Same input, same output. It could be. It could be. Am I correct?
Mhm.
After it, you want to print the value, so you have to apply which operation on the terminal operation. So one of the terminal operation which we know for each to print the stream. Okay. So for each takes, you should know consumer. What is the consumer? It takes one
String.
parameter but does not produce anything. So it is going to take what, man? String
String.
str,
Yes.
and it does not return anything, right? So you can just print some values, right? System dot, or you want to write bigger syntax, you can do it, right? Curly bracket open and close, right? But I don't want to write because I want to write only one statement. System dot out dot println. Hmm. And here you can write str. You got a point?
Yes, sir.
So let me make a picture diagram of it. See, uh, when you create intermediate stream, nothing will be triggered. It is going to be triggered when you call this for each terminal operation. So let me tell you how it is going to be processed. Terminal operation. Hmm? Confused? No. I would like to make a diagram for it. Please allow me.
Yeah.
See, it is going to create a pipeline. How? I'm going to show you. I need your help. First of all, this is the data structure. Yeah, I'm going to make it. So you are making a stream, right? So you can make a box. Are you following me? This is the stream. One stream you can represent with one box. And please, I am telling you, don't show me mercy on me. If you have any questions, ask question immediately. Okay. So
Yes.
this is the stream. Okay, that's cool. And this stream is a stream of every stream is a data structure and it's have type. After it, you are creating another stream. I don't know how. Can you help me? That is you are applying map. Map is one of the intermediate of. There is many intermediate operation, right? We cannot
Yes.
learn all, but whatever is coming on the way, we can learn it. So what it does, if you see, you are using map. Am I right? Object. Please help me. Stream dot map. Clear? And what map takes? Function, functional interface. Okay. So it takes one parameter. Yes, and produce one output, one input, one output. You know it. You would say, yeah, yeah, I know. Parenthesis is optional. Am I right? Yes, you're right. You're right or not? So what it is going to do? It is going to return Mr. str, right? So far nothing will happen. So basically what you are going to do here, I'm going to apply what, man? Terminal operation. And that is, tell me, that is for each. For each is one of the terminal operation. You got a point or not? So let's do that. Nobody's helping me. Can you help me? Yeah. Basically, you need to understand the way it is going being processed. I want this thing should be in your mind. Hey, ask questions if you have any confusion. So what we are doing here, you see, I am saying hey stream for each. Hey, when you write this statement, right? Hey, I'm performing this thing on the same stream, right? So here you are creating a stream. That's okay. In second, you are converting same string into other stream type. Third, you are doing processing on same or different, and then same you are doing. So when you are calling for each loop, it is saying, hey, I am very hungry, I want to eat string, right? So what happened? People,
Yes.
all this element will be going to move one by one. See the magic. So apple will start from here. Say yes. Apple
Yes.
here, it will go one by one, right? From here it will go to here. Are you following me? After it, it is going to be here. It will do what? Hey string, I want to return you
Mr.
plus
Apple.
Mr. So you got Mr. Apple. So far it is Apple, but the moment it will come from out from here, it will become Mr. Apple. You got it?
Yeah.
Then this Mr. Apple will go to this for each, right here, and it is going printed. You got the idea? But it is done one by one. Yes, and you see, stream is not creating new memory. It is working on underlying memory itself. But I am telling you, stream is never going to modify the original data. Make sense?
Yes.
After that, mango will travel. Yes, Yep. Till here it is mango, right? But once it come outside from here, it will become Mr.
Mango.
Mango. You are able to visualize this, or you totally got confused? But you tell me. So this stream data structure is going to do a lot of processing, but on demand. Hmm? So tell me,
Yes.
in this way, when it is doing processing, it will take a lot of memory or minimal memory?
Minimum of memory.
Minimal memory, because whatever memory is there, it is going to pick the data, applying the operation, eventually showing the result. Okay. So same thing I had shown you in the last session. All right. Let me show you the coding for it. Hmm? Allow me. Allow me. So can you see the stream demo? The way we have written it,
Should take.
and I'm telling you, you have to say yes or no. Can you see this? List dot stream. I'm converting into stream and I'm applying map. Here I'm just converting, not Mr. What I'm doing? I'm converting in uppercase. You want the same example? Somebody saying, hey, can you write the same thing? What you can. Here you can write Mr. dot plus S. Yeah, yes, a string, whatever you want to write. So you got it or you got confused?
Got it.
And down the line, I'm converting this into a method reference. Clear? So system.out or println, where we have this, you can think as system.out. Basically, this is just a method invocation. So I'm converting our object colon method name. So we'll talk more about it, right? So this is one of the most frequently used syntax. So you can remember it a little bit like that. Anybody have any question, query? I need to jump to the next thing. It is clear?
Yeah. So, question.
Please.
So, like on that previous example, we did like string dot for each string, right?
Mm-hmm.
He means like if you want to access only one of the element, how can we do that?
What do you mean by? Give me a second. What do you mean by?
Just mango or just apple?
I'm busy. When I ask, like,
What you said? Can you come again?
so I mean to say, like when you use the stream, so the output comes. Like, where is it stored? Like, is it like it contains a new array or something like that? The
No man,
result will be
already I told you, right? It is working on underlying memory, right? It's not getting new memory. It is processing on the fly.
So to as disturb or the apple.
Go ahead, ask question. Your question is, please ask questions. What question you have?
We want to just print out for the apple, then we can access from the list, or we have to do through the streams now.
I mean, like Mr. Apple. So if we want to just access Mr. Apple, how can we do that?
Yeah.
Without
I understand what you're saying, right? Let's do that.
yeah.
Hey people, I think that here, good thing is you guys are at least thinking it. I like it. Think it. Okay. So let me show you. His requirement is, first of all, you should know when you are fetching the data, it is going through the stream. That's it. Stream is just making a path, right? And doing all the processing on the way and eventually producing the result. Clear? Your question is, can I print the first element, Mr. Apple? Right? That's your question.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to print all the element, then there is a other terminal operation. Here there is another terminal operation you can use. Find first. Can you see this? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like when you do find first, right? So tell me, in this situation, element will be always the first will be always there, or it could not. Answer my question.
Always there.
No.
It could be.
No.
Yeah.
If your list is empty, then
Yeah.
There is
my dear
no.
friends, knowingly I'm asking this question. You tell me when you use find first, you are saying whatever element we have in the stream, I want to access the first one. So tell me, you'll always get the data or might not.
Might not, might not.
Might not. You would say, sir, depend on underlying collection which you are using, right? For example, what for example? Assume in this case we have two use cases. First use case, data is there, okay? Second use case, data is not there. So when you are using this find first, right? They find first. That's why, and you can able to answer these questions everywhere, right? So I'm using stream. What we have to use inside? Str. Help me, Mister.
First.
Uh, dot plus str. Then you can here do find first. See, find first. If anywhere there is a terminal operation and where you do not know about the result, it could be, it could not. That situation. Then this terminal operation always will return optional. This is Java 8, one of the more feature, right? Optional. You got it or you got confused? Optional. And data type is string. Hello, Oppo.
Yeah.
So hey, why I'm returning optional over here? Because I know find first can return value cannot. So optional you will be able to hold two kind of data. If data is there, it will hold the string data. If it is not there, then it will contains empty. So how you can ensure data is there? So in optional interface, we have one method that is called is present. What? Is present.
Is
If data is present inside it, it will go to the if condition, right? Otherwise, it will go else condition. You got it? Because this I'm going to use everywhere throughout the code. Got it? So if data
yes,
is
sir.
there, you want to print it, you can write system.out.println. And what you can write over here? If you want to fetch the data, you can write oppo.get. Get method is there to fetch the data. That's it. Else don't print anything. Sorry, data is not there. You can print like that. Okay. Let's do that. People, can you help me? In else, what you are going to write? Cry. Data is not there. Huh? If you got it, say I got it. Otherwise, say I don't understand. Please. You understand the optional? Optional is one
Yeah.
of the important interface you can use when from the terminal operation. Data is not for sure. It can come, it cannot. It might not. In that situation, you can use optional. And this optional you should predict from your intelligence. Yes, you know? Yep. You should see the method and you should be able to understand, right? Just find first. It could be, it could not be, that we know, right? So optional is clear to everybody?
Yes. So for each, you have to write, like for Apple, you have to write separately. For Mango, you separate, or what do you do? Like
No,
I'm
no. Your question, no, no, no. Actually, you should, you should design this as per your requirement. Clear? He said, I need find first, right? I need only first element. Clear? Your
yeah.
situation may be, I want to find any element, right? So there is another method. Find any.
Fine. Okay.
Fine. Your question may
So
be, hey Nagendra, I need the only second one, right? So in that case, what you need to do? You can iterate it and count, make a counter, right?
mm-hmm.
So you can stop it, right? You have to apply the logic for that.
Okay.
Hmm. Or you want to, hey, somebody says, I want to access, I want to know banana is there or not, right? That's your question. Let's do that. Clear?
Yeah.
Or you can say, again, I don't know. I need guava, banana, grapes, right? Basically, I want to search it, right? But I want to use this approach. Could you please show me? But optional is clear to everyone. I'm saying optional is clear to everyone.
Yes.
No, someone said no.
No, that's okay. He has his birthright. He can say like this, not a problem. Hey, what's not clear to you, my dear friend? What's not clear to you?
So optional is used for there's only one
Oh man,
element.
you tell me. If you come to me, right? I would say if you come to me, I'll give you a mango. But I can give you mango when I have. If I don't have mango, I can give you. So you can say, sir, when I come to you and you say I will give you mango, but not sure. If you have, you can give me. If you don't have, from where you'll give me? Correct or not? So in this
Yes.
situation, you tell me this method output depends on the underlying data or not. Suppose in this list we don't have anything, then find first data will return what? Empty. Empty means no result. So optional is a data structure which can hold data plus empty data. Is correct? Optional can hold data and empty data. You got it or not? Optional means
Yeah.
you might get and mine might not. How will come to know? You got optional and you can check is present. Hey Oppo, do you have data? Is present. It would say yes. Then using get method, you can say, give me the data, right? Whatever data you have. So is present is used to whether check whether it is there or not, and get is used to fetch the data. Make sense?
Yeah.
So optional feature was introduced in which version of the Java?
Java8.
Java 8. I hope you got this much.
Yeah. Right.
So can you implement the program, Nagendra?
Pardon?
Yeah.
What's your question?
So can you show that in the program?
You can show that, not a big deal. Can you see this? Find first. It is going to return what? Optional. Hello. Data string, and here you can write any variable name, whatever you like. Then what you'll check over here? If, please help me. If is present, right? You can write in one line also. There's a lot of syntax, but let's do like this, and I'll show you the shortcut after it. This syntax is clear. If it is present, then what you want to do? This optional dot get.
Get.
Clear? Or are you confused? And here, else. Sorry, element is not there. Sorry, list is empty. That's it. So shall I run it? Yes, run it, please. I'm telling you, this is one of the very big topic. It's never going to end. Mr. Apple. Hey, what next we have to do? We have to search it, right? Let's do that now. To search, you can use predicate. What? Predicate. I'm going to show you how. So here I'm going to take one in, you know how to take input? Somebody was talking about in Java, if you want to take input, you can use scanner. Yes, you have to say yes.
Yes.
System dot out dot he enter your enter your fruit, your favorite fruits. Okay, so you know how to take input? Fruit scanner s dot it's not coming. Next, right? Done. Hey, what is my agenda? I want to search this fruit inside list using Stream API. That's purpose. So for that purpose, you know, here you can use another intermediate operation that is called filter. What man? Filter. Please let me know. It is appending what? Mister. Yes or no?
Yes.
In every element, then here you can use another intermediate operation, a filter. Filter is used for filtering purpose, and filter takes predicate. Map takes functional interface, and filter takes predicate. Predicate means it can take one input and produce Boolean value. Remember or forget it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please. Okay. And so syntax is it takes one input, and here you have to use Boolean, right? Return Boolean equals. You are going to compare with this fruit. Sajna, you got it. First of all, you are converting into Mr. and this, and before passing it, you are just checking, hey, you are this fruit, right? Predicate, right? Then here you can again use find first. Huh? So people, no need to worry, right? It's showing error. Local variable, right? We are using over here. So let's change it. I'm going to use T. Okay. And I'm using find first. So why is giving error? S I'm using here, that's why it's crying, right? We have to take C, right? C means conversion. You got it or you got totally confused? Like here, this is local, right? I think this you can use same, right? But it's okay. Question, query, please. When you use this terminal operation, what happened? When it is going to operate, first of all, it will take the element. Which element it will take? Apple. And then it will go to the Mr. Map. Here it will become Mr. Apple, right? When it will come to the filter, then what you are doing? T dot equals fruit, right? But you tell me here, when you take Mr. Apple, then only it will match. Am I right or not? We'll do that. Okay. So whenever any element match over here, it will go to the find first and terminate it. Yes or no? That's it. People reply. So map takes what? Function, functional interface. Please mug it. Interface. And what we have learned, filter is another,
Predicate.
another intermediate operation which takes, because this intermediate will create a stream, right? So here you can enter, right? Again, it will convert nothing. It's just going to convert the stream data structure into another stream. Fine. Let's do that. So here it is going to take a predicate functional interface. Go ahead, please. Somebody saying something. Go ahead.
Yeah. Instead of equals, what if we put contents? It will still give
Yeah,
us
yeah,
the
yeah,
same.
yeah. You know it, man. Contains means target, right? In target, you are checking it contains this or not. It is up to you. You know difference between contains and this. In equals, you are matching everything. In contains, you just match the portion of it. What do you say? I can use contains, right? That's okay. Hmm. People reply. Somebody is asking question and I'm saying, please reply. Then he's not saying anything.
Nagendra, so these for each, find first, and these filters, they are all predicate functional interface.
No, you got totally confused.
Not filter
Actually,
is one.
filter takes predicate function interface. Map take function, right? And your
Yeah.
for each take, I told you, consumer. Hello. For
Yeah,
each what
Nagendra.
does?
For each take consumer functional interface.
Yeah, you have to remember this. That's it. Done. Let me run
For
it.
each, so what is find first then? What
Find
does
first
find
is
first?
nothing. Find first is not taking anything. You see, we have zero parameter. Find first is saying, I will not take anything because I am going to return this. So here you are not passing anything, man, right? That's it. Reply. Why are you confused?
Yeah.
Find first is not taking anything. It is just returning you the value, right? Simple, optional. It's returning optional. Okay. So let's run it. And you see, enter your fruit. If I am adding grapes, so it will return. It will return me that element, right? And that element will be preceded with Mr. Grapes. If it is there, it will return what? Mr. Grapes. Correct or not?
Yes.
Hello. Here you are comparing it, and what I would say, once this Mr. Grabs contains grabs, right? So what you have to return? Because conversion is done already. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Already it is prepended with Mr. That's why I'm showing Mr. Grabs. If you enter something which is not there, like cow, it is not there. Okay, enter. So our list is empty. Huh? Even though list is not empty, but element is not searched over there. Make sense? So
Yes.
today you have learned map and filter. Similarly, we have, you know, we have, other intermediate and terminal operation, right? That we have to learn slowly. Okay. And you guys are not supposed to learn anything else. Okay. Whatever I'm teaching you, just learn only that much, not less than that, not more than that. Make sense? There is any other way of doing it, right? We can let me show you some more example because we have to show examples only. Okay. The here your question may be, your question is, I want to prepend with Mr. But I want to store everything in other list, right? So if you want to convert one list into other list or other map, everything you can do that. And for that we have another terminal operation that is called collect, which collect. So let me show you, and you have to do practice of it. Okay. So agenda is whatever list we are making. Hmm. The guy don't need first find first. Basically, what is my intention, Sajna? Intention is Mr. Apple, Mr. Mango, Mr. Guava, Banana. I want to store into another list because because Stream API cannot modify the underlying list. I said like that or not? This statement what? Stream API does not modify. Any guess? Underline. list. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes.
So basically, what is my intention? My intention is whatever on a list.stream, then we are doing conversion, right? So basically, whatever data is coming, you want to convert into uppercase as well? Tell me. Then you can use other map. Sajana, you can use multiple map, right? First one is just prepending Mr. And what we are going to do next, whatever data is going to coming here, I'm going to convert into uppercase. If you got it, say I got it, otherwise I got confused.
Got it.
And in last, what you want to do, whatever whatever data is coming, right? You want to hold in a new list. Then you can use which terminal operation? Collect. Sajana, you got a point? What I'm doing? Basically, from this list, I'm creating a stream. Then I'm using a map operation, which is going to prepend Mr. Then again, I'm using another map, which is going to make it uppercase. And eventually, you want to store into new list. So you have to use which terminal operation? Collect. And here you have to mug it. In this parameter, you have to pass collectors dot to list. Can you see this? To list. So what happened? You are saying collect and you are passing the parameter you want to hold in a new list, right? So it will return what? Sajana. It will return new list of string, right? So here you are creating new memory or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Here you are creating new memory, right? But it contains all the element preceding with Mr. and uppercase as well. So you want to print it? Yeah, you can use for each loop, Sajana. And in for each loop, we have to use consumer. And consumer method reference is fixed. So you just make practice of writing like this. People use a method reference. Okay. Can you see this? Hello.
Yes.
This is the method reference of instance method reference of particular type. Okay. That's fine. Hey, you want to write the bigger syntax? We can do that. How? People, can you help me? Yeah. The string s, right? It is consumer. Am I right? It takes one parameter, does not produce anything. So you guys are not helping me. New consumer. Hmm, okay. I'm just going to write a bigger syntax. That's not coming from me. I don't know. It's not coming. No, now I got it. Can you see this? Wow. So either you can write anonymous class, but you would say this is a very boring syntax. Clear? Yeah. Sajana, bigger syntax, right? I'm passing into it. And here you want to write system dot out dot println t. Make sense? Yeah. How you can make it compact? You know, right? You can convert into Lambda. To convert into Lambda, you have to start from here. Sajna, you know it, right? Yep, yep. Hmm? Done. Somebody saying this is only one statement, so you can omit curly bracket also. Hmm? Yep. Same thing I was writing, right? Yeah. Got it? Please help me. Yeah. Now, Sajna, you want to say this is a method invocation. One statement in Lambda method invocation, right? System.out is object and println is the method on it. So what you can do then, if that is the situation, you can delete this method parameter, everything not required. You can just write the object name colon println, just method. Make sense? So this, and this all are equivalent. If I run it, the here, if I run it, do you think your program will run? Why not? Because we have list and same list I'm printing how many times?
4 times.
Multiple times. So you can see it will print the repeated output. Sajana, Mr. Apple, Mango, right? Mr. Apple, it's clear? Yep. And in last, I'm going to teach you very important stuff in Lambda. Stream you can consume only once. Please mark it. What? What is it? Even I don't know what is it. Stream you can consume only once. That you have to remember. You see, I have a lot of program for you. Okay, I will start. I'll do tomorrow, but today I want you go and revise it. Okay, because you can convert your list into map, you can convert list into set, you can convert this and that, whatever you think, right? You can do it. I'm telling you, this is really, you can sort it. This is really means whatever you want to do, right? Everything we have over here. Okay. So what I want to show you, I'm showing you one of the very important thing. Let me do that. Stream you can consume only once, right? Let me show you. Stream consumes once. Okay. My dear friends, what is the meaning of it? Like here, this list, right? I'm converting into stream. And whatever stream is, coming, you can actually operate only once. That I want to tell you. So here, stream, 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 string, right? Like, consume means once you apply the terminal operation, that is called consumes, right? So here, what syntax you can use? System.out. You remember this? I told you have to use this, right? Println. Makes sense. So it is being consumed, right? And what I want to do later, I want to consume it again. I want to find the first element, right? That I want to do. Sajna, you got what I'm trying to tell you? Yeah, same stream, right? Like same stream I'm consuming twice or not? I'm doing conversion and I'm trying to apply the terminal operation again. So it should work or not? No, it should not work. Because when you're trying to use the second time, it would say it is already being processed. Okay, let me show you. So stream you can consume only, just a second, voice working. No, no, I know why is voice working. Actually, you see here I'm creating new stream, right? I'm not supposed to. I have to use the same stream, right? Then problem will come. Yes or no? Hello?
Yeah.
This is the stream, right? It is already being created over here. I have to use same, then problem will come. Let's do that. Now problem will come. Okay, done. Can you see this, please? What it is saying? After printing all the element, when you are trying to use the same stream again, what it is saying? Stream has already been operated upon or closed. You got this or not? Or you got confused? Hmm? This stream, right? You are creating here stream. Just a second. Creating a stream and here processing it, right?
Yeah.
Consuming it, eating it, consuming it, right? Then consuming again, right? Consuming here again. Same string, can we consume more than one time? No.
No.
Please be remember. That's it. So tell me, you got this much or you got confused?
We got this much.
So what I'm expecting is you just go and do the practice of all these programs and recall other thing. Whatever question I asked today, please try to answer those questions also, right? Tomorrow again I will ask the same questions, right? Please be ready. Again I'm telling you, if you follow me, you can crack your interview yourself. What I said? You don't need any help.
So what's
Okay.
the difference between the before and then the consumer one? Like, why did you do the consumer one? Like, why do we need it?
No, it's not required. It is just concept.
Oh, okay.
Nobody will do like this.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Anybody have any other question, query, please? Or you got this much?
Not got this much, but got to work.